Education is a fundamental right for all. And Kesatuan Bangsa School, established under Yayasan Pendidikan Kesatuan Bangsa Mandiri in Yogyakarta, embodies this belief. Our school provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and a comfortable living zone for students. We utilize cutting-edge educational technology by providing Chromebooks to all students. Students not only have access to lesson materials stored on the Chromebook's internal storage, but also to a vast array of online learning resources available on the internet. Chromebooks, equipped with Google Suite for Education, bring various Google apps that are highly beneficial for both students and teachers, including Google Classroom. These features enhance student organization and make it easier for teachers to create, share, and assess student assignments, along with providing feedback, all in one place. Our school implements science education based on the Cambridge curriculum and aligns it with the national curriculum. Students are not only taught science subjects, but are also encouraged to think logically and critically. Additionally, students can develop their motor skills through various experimental activities. The use of the English in science classes aims to introduce the use of academic English to students from an early age. This way, students are prepared to access English literature in their higher education. At Kesatuan Bangsa School, we pride ourselves on our commitment to shaping not just academically proficient individuals, but well-rounded, character-driven students. Our flagship programs include the Guidance Department, which collaborates with the academic office to mold students into quality individuals. This department focuses on optimizing emotional and spiritual intelligence, nurturing strong interpersonal and intrapersonal skills among students. The goal is to empower them to contribute positively to both their communities and personal growth. The career planning program at our school is a crucial component of our students' education. Its goal is to assist students in planning and achieving their career objectives. Each student has talents that can be developed to pursue a suitable career path. The presence of the career planning program from the beginning allows us to guide students based on their interests, talents, and abilities. Our school is committed to integrating this STEAM approach into educational activities. Some of the initiatives we undertake to advance STEAM include integrated education, modern laboratories facilities, STEAM clubs and competitions, collaborative projects, and creative arts activities. With this STEAM approach, our goal is to prepare our students to become creative, innovative, and highly competitive thinkers in an increasingly complex and interconnected world. We believe that STEAM is a crucial foundation for their future. In addition to character development, Kesatuan Bangsa School excels in academic pursuits, particularly through Science Olympiad Department. Our participation in various regional, national, and international level competitions has resulted in numerous accolades. These achievements reflect the hard work of our students and the dedicated support from our teaching and non-teaching staff. We are committed to building on this success, fostering the academic interests and talents of our students. Our school dormitory is designed to create a comfortable, safe, and supportive environment for students who choose to reside in it. There are dormitory programs in place to support the personal, academics, and social development of our students. Extracurricular activities are additional activities conducted outside regular class hours. Extracurriculars play a huge role in the holistic development of students. They can encompass a variety of activities such as sports clubs, arts, language, science, and much more. Through extracurriculars, students have the opportunity to cultivate their interests and talents, expand their social circles, and acquire additional skills that cannot be gained from classroom lessons alone. Furthermore, Extracurricular activities can also help improve students' discipline, leadership, and teamwork skills. Thus, they become an integral part of comprehensive education at Kesatuan Bangsa School. In closing, we express our heartfelt appreciation for the ongoing support and trust extended to Kesatuan Bangsa School. To our students, you are the vibrant spirit of our institution. Together, let's stay united, inspired, and continue shining as part of the Kesatuan Bangsa School family, where dreams find their wings.